What's up, guys? Here's a perfect example of why you want to learn all the information about a story before you formulate an opinion about it. Let me explain. It is 1:03 p.m. Let's get down to business. Alright, as always, this episode is brought to you by the Time Teller Shop. That's right, I'm legally obligated to let you know. It is my store, I own it, I run it, and I want to share with you two incredible watches we have for sale right now, and they're what I like to call sibling watches because they are related. That's right, this gorgeous Wittnauer skeleton tank and this Longines mainliner. Why are they siblings? Well, it's because at this time, Longines owned Wittnauer, and I think this was kind of the golden era for both of these watchmakers. They're incredible watches, and you can email me, info@thetimetellershop.com. If you want to purchase both of these at the same time, I will give you a discount. But back to the episode. So I was trolling around Instagram, as I normally do, looking at things that I enjoy, watches, cars, anime girls, and I saw a post from Omega. It goes like this: for the first time, Omega is offering all of the MoonSwatch Mission to Moonshine Gold timepieces together in one set. And that's where I kind of stopped reading, because I saw the images, and it's all the MoonSwatches just in a suitcase. And I was like, wow, cool, here's another stupid money grab for a bunch of people who are going to get screwed by scalpers. And I was ready to fire up this camera and turn on this mic and yell and tell you why this is the dumbest idea ever. But when I went ahead to open up some of the articles about this story to kind of formulate a better opinion to share with you guys, I learned that if I had just read a little bit further, I was going to see that 11 MoonSwatch Moonshine Gold suitcases to be auctioned at Sotheby's for Orbis. Now, I had to read a little further to see what Orbis International is, but I guess I just learned very recently that Orbis International is an organization that has been working with Omega for quite some time to fight avoidable blindness around the world. So vision loss, blindness, ailments that affect the eyes. So before the auction takes place, Omega says that these suitcases are going to be showcased from February 1st to February 11th at various Omega boutiques around the world. They have some listed here: Zurich, Tokyo, Bangkok, Singapore, Hong Kong, Beijing, New York, London, Milan, Paris, and Sydney. So am I a fan of MoonSwatches? Pretty much no, okay? I'm confident in my opinion right now that I really don't like the MoonSwatch. At first, and I've said this a million times, I thought it was cool. Not everybody has the money to spend on an Omega Speedmaster, but there are a lot of enthusiasts out there who still want a piece of that history. They want some enjoyment from, such a prolific name in the watch world. Not just Omega, but specifically the Speedmaster. People like the moon landing. They like that this watch kind of made history. And again, not everybody has the thousands of dollars to spend on a legit, full-fat Omega Speedmaster. But then it kind of got out of hand with all these releases and the resellers, and then Omega just producing more and more of them, and it just became kind of a circus. And then don't get me started on the Blancpain. I'm just excited to see what next IP they come to bastardize. Are they going to do a Brigade Type 20? That would be cool. Swatch Type 20. But in this case, okay, literally in this case of 11 watches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's very cool because these will get auctioned, and hopefully they do fetch a high price, and hopefully, Orbis gets a big chunk of change to help fight these vision impairments around the world. So was I ready to complain about this? Absolutely. That's my favorite thing to do. But do I think there is some good here? Absolutely. I think they've found a way to almost redeem themselves. I'm willing to forgive Swatch Group altogether for these MoonSwatches, all because of this. I think this is actually a great cause, and they found a way to manipulate and harness the hype of these watches and put it towards a very, very good cause. So good on you, Swatch. But let me know what you think, guys. Is this a good idea? Is this a bad idea? I mean, I don't think anybody can really speak against this. But I'm open to any of your opinions, so please leave it in the comment section below, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.